Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to efficiently bulk deprovision Chrome devices in Google Workspace with xFanatical Foresight. Manually deprovisioning Chrome devices in Google Admin Console is slow and inefficient, especially for large organizations managing hundreds or thousands of devices. It's error-prone and time-consuming. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, IT admins can automate bulk deprovisioning of Chrome devices in Google Workspace. This platform triggers factory resets, removes policies and user data, and restores devices to their original state, saving time and reducing errors. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, admins need to extract the list of Chrome devices from the Google Workspace, then edit the list of Chrome devices and upload to xFanatical Foresight to deprovision Chrome devices in Google Workspace. The workflow needs two rules. Rule 1. Lists and exports Chrome devices to a CSV file, including the device ID, serial number, status, last policy sync, and user. Admins need to keep only the rows they want to deprovision Chrome devices in the CSV file and delete the rest. Rule 2 takes the extracted and edited CSV file from Rule 1 as input and bulk deprovision Chrome devices listed in the file. Rule 1. Export Chrome devices. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search the Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices template and click on it. In the Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, a dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Chrome Devices will display. Click Next, then click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices. Go to the Templates page. Search the Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices template and click on it. In the Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices page, click Copy Rule 2. A dialog titled Copy of Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices will display at the bottom of the dialog. Click Next, then click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how the xFanatical Foresight automates the bulk deprovisioning Chrome devices in Google Workspace. Go to the Rules page, find the Copy of Export Chrome Devices rule, and click the Play button. Wait momentarily, and you will get a notification at the top right of. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details screen, download the Chrome device's CSV file from your button. Edit the CSV file, keep the Chrome device details you want to disable, and delete the rest rows. Go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Bulk Deprovision Chrome Devices rule. Click the Upload icon and select the CSV which you edited. Wait momentarily, and you will get a notification at the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Logs Details screen, confirm that Chrome devices have been deprovisioned. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.